Hi, I'm Gary from Craft Buddy, and I'm delighted to talk to you about our new crystal cards and art range. Our crystal card kits have been hugely popular for several years now, and last year we developed some really stunning Christmas crystal card kits that many of you really loved. This year we've got a range of 12 new crystal card kits launching in February 2018 that we can't wait to share with you. Our crystal art motifs, another new product, are fantastic because of their versatility. You can peel them off and then attach them onto any of your craft projects. Our small 20 by 20 centimeter frame crystal art kits are fantastic because they're freestanding. So not only do you make a beautiful piece of art, you can then put it on a shelf, a mantelpiece, or even a desk or table to really lift the decor in your room. You can see our collection of iconic cities, New York, Paris, London with the iconic telephone booth, and then a lovely Christmas tree, which was something from last year. It was only 15 by 15 centimeters, but really, really sparkly and an amazing piece to take out in your home every Christmas. Our gallery collection of crystal art kits is another new concept in displaying your pieces. Each kit comes with a little mini wooden easel that you can rest your kit on and put it on any surface in your home, a table, desk, shelf or mantelpiece. Really show off the beautiful creations that you've created. Moving up a size onto our medium 30 by 30 centimeter crystal art kits that will take you between 4 to 6 hours to complete. We've got some old favourites there and some brand new designs as well. Going up to our large range of 40 by 50 centimeter crystal art kits, there's really something for everyone. We've got wildlife, we've got landscape, we've got iconic cities, and some of our kits are full crystal, that means they're edge-to-edge coverage, and others are partial crystal, where we've printed part of the artwork to give you that extra rich detail and the contrast between the printed part and the crystal part. Don't forget, all our crystal art kits are pre-stretched and pre-mounted on wooden frames, so you don't have to go to the inconvenience of having to mount it yourself. They're backed by solid MDF boards, which makes putting the crystals on really, really easy. And of course, with the wooden frame, once you've completed it, it's ready to hang on your wall. If you're feeling really adventurous, why not try one of our extra large crystal art kits or even one of our giant ones? We've got so much variety, including really cool wintry scenes or sultry savanna scenes. Right at the top of the range, we've got a huge 70 by 70 centimeter tiger by the artist Claudia Hahn. And then an even bigger one, our biggest ever, is our 60 by 120 centimeter forest path, which features special 3D resin flowers and sequins just to make the project extra exciting and with that bit more variety. All of these look amazing when they're finished, and they'll take you between 20 and 25 hours to complete. The technique of doing crystal cards and art is really very simple, yet so many of you tell us that it's really enjoyable, really relaxing, and indeed can be really addictive. To start with, you take your magic pen, which is included in the kit, and you dip it in a little bit of wax, again included, ensuring that a little bit of wax becomes lodged in the nib of the pen. Then I'm just going to press the wax in to make sure it's nice and secure. And the pen is now primed and ready to pick up crystals and place them onto our artwork. All our packets of crystals have a letter, a number or a symbol on, and this corresponds to the letter on the artwork itself. So I'm going to start with the letter M crystals, which you can see here at the top of the castle. I'm going to open up the bag of the M crystals and I'm going to pour them into our green tray. The tray is fantastic because it has grooves in, and the grooves are designed to be just large enough that they can collect the crystals in convenient lines so that they're really easy to pick up. So we're all ready to go. We'll peel back the film, revealing the sticky canvas, and now I'm going to start picking up my M crystals and place them onto the canvas wherever I see the letter M. In our new crystal art kits, our second generation pickup pens are really fantastic. They've got two uses. So the nib, the fine nib, is picking up the crystals as I just described, but the other side of the pen is great. This has two of its own functions. It can nudge mistaken crystals out of the way, but it can also be used as a wide pickup tool. So if you've got a row of crystals that are the same color, this is great. You can pick up 3 crystals at a time. Let me show you these two uses. So for instance, if I were to pick up an M crystal but place it on the wrong square, so I've put it there in the middle of the G and R, the nudger makes it really easy to just shift over a crystal and put it into the right square, as so. So that's now on the correct M square. And the other use is as a multi-crystal pickup tool. It works by, again, dipping it into the wax, making sure that we have a nice strip of wax in our multi-pickup tool. Then we'll give our tray a shake, and where we've got a line of 3 crystals in a row, I can then just place it on top of the 3, and it's picked up 3 crystals. And then I'm looking for anywhere with 3 M's in a line, and I see one little section here. So I've placed them down, and now I've put 3 crystals down in just one movement, which is really handy where you have areas with one big block of color.